Among my people, this senator Angel Unigwe recent naked pictures don't throw so many people off balance, so as people come dey question, say wetin dey happen? Say why this innocent girl don't turn to body overnight? Some people come dey argue, say na ever since she started acting with this boy, now when she changed, a lot of her fans don't they withdraw themselves from am. Some even they pray, say make she no influence Adakirikiri, Uche treasure. Some even they say maybe she don't test this guy Ebola, na why she come change. Make we look at so many people's reaction to get wetin dem talk. This one talk say, this girl, she already tested the Ebola of this boy. Now look at how she is behaving. Another person talks, say nobody is trying to be rude here, but the kind of lifestyle this girl wants to start will not take her anywhere. You think those big actresses started like this? Anyway, let me focus on my food before it gets cold. No be smart in my people. This one talks, I just knew as you join the gang, it is finished. Oh more, no be smart. Let's look at another reaction. This one talks, say I withdraw you from my favorites. Oh, this used to be her fan. This one talks, so why do you little things feel you can only become a star or be relevant by going naked on social media? A lot of reactions from different people. What is your take on this? Do you think she's living her life? She should be allowed to live her life the way she chooses? Drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow this channel for more Wenge news with the Totori body. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Thank you so much for sticking out. If you be old subscriber, thank you so much. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Bye.
Okay. You can stay. So
Nothing.
Hear me, Junior. Hear me, who's your brother? Tani bro, I'm not your brother.
Is you guys off-screen chemistry for me?
We do?
I'm very person.
You're very person.
Wink. What should I find for you? I don't know you, man. What you making videos of me? So that your man there will not come to your dreams.
Oh, that's what.